Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by forcing a restart to rule out a temporary crash. Hold power and volume for 10 to 15 seconds. Once done, plug into the original cable and a known good adapter, charging for 20 to 30 minutes to exclude battery drain. Remove the case, SD card, and SIM. Check for swollen battery or corrosion that explains sudden shutdowns. These steps separate software hiccups from physical faults so you can choose the right next action. Next, boot into safe mode so only system apps run. You'll see whether a third-party app forces shutdowns. Check battery health in settings, or run the vendor diagnostic to see capacity and voltage. Weak cells cause abrupt power-offs. Make sure the OS is up to date. If problems started after an app install, uninstall it. If instability persists and diagnostics show software corruption, back up your data and perform a factory reset to restore a clean system. For final fixes, inspect and clean the charging port with a soft brush or replace the cable. A loose connection mimics shutdowns. If battery health is under about 80% or you see swelling, replace the battery. This solves most spontaneous offs. Once replaced, fully charge and monitor for 24 hours. If the phone still powers off, it likely needs board-level repair. Make sure to use a certified technician and mention symptoms and diagnostics you already ran to speed up the service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.